I used 50 grams of butter. Melt butter in hot skillet. I stir like this so it melts quickly. Then I put 50 grams of white sugar. I added a little water. I stirred all the ingredients until the well blended. After boiling like this, I put in 70 grams of the best quality bread flour. Slowly add the flour, then mix the dough like I did. After this is done, I'll put in the next ingredients. This is one potato that has been boiled, then mashed. While I'm stirring this potato mixture, you can comment below where you come from. Thank you for being willing to watch this video. I hope this video is useful for all of you. The last ingredient is 1 egg. Enter into the mixture earlier, then stir until evenly distributed. Do this work with heart, then the taste will be more enjoyable. When the dough is finished, just put it in the mold. Fry in hot oil over medium heat. Stir it so it doesn't burn. This is the result, the most delicious potato chips.